Whoa, what are you doing? No! Wait!
Sir. The traitor got away. I'm sorry, Mr. Norton.
You're Victor Norton.
Yeah? The notorious Victor Norton?
I imagine Victor looked menacing, not gorgeous.
He's a mobster who kills anyone that gets in his way.
He's scared. What's your name?
Why should I tell you?
Because I want to know the name of my future wife.
Asshole.
24 hours. Find out who she is.
Sir, you got plenty of women on speed dial. Why fixate on this nurse?
Well, I don't know. There's something special about it.
Got you some food?
See,
Look like you're running on fumes. What's up?
well, my boss still didn't approve my position at work, so I'm still on probation.
Sorry.
I mean, Tess, I've been in the red for years now. And seriously, without you, I don't think I could have survived. And that fact alone just makes me feel guilty.
Hey. Don't start beating yourself up, okay? You got this. I believe in you. I love you.
I love you too. Well, I guess it just means I have to hustle harder. And I promise that one day I will give you the life you deserve and that dream wedding you deserve too. Deal?
Yeah.
Boss, the traitor's been caught. Green family plan, just as we suspected. Orders?
Get rid of him.
Oh, and here's what we found on that nurse.
Oh. Cancel all of our plans tomorrow.
Getting back at the greens?
No. I have more pressing matters.
Hey, you're doing great. It's okay. We're almost done here.
Damn, he's fine. Right? Straight out of Hollywood.
Miss Bray. What a coincidence. Miss Bray. What a coincidence.
Looks like you're healing up nicely. I'm working. You really should leave.
Looks painful. Here, drop this and let's get some dinner, huh?
You lost your mind? I am at work. I am helping patients. You need to stop this nonsense.
Yeah, this is a fucking hospital. I'm bleeding here.
Right? This is a hospital. Get a room.
Watch how fast your patients disappear. Neil.
Attention all patients. Find a different doctor and get paid for your troubles.
You know, I know Dr. Jones down the street is pretty good too. Sir!
You know, I just remembered. They got a pretty good clinic down the street. Thank you. Ooh.
Look at that. No more patients. Shall we?
You are literally insane. You are bribing people in an emergency room.
Hey, okay, fine. You're right. No dinner. How about shopping, do a little dancing, wherever you want, okay? It's yours.
I have a boyfriend.
It's irrelevant.
I have a boyfriend.
It's irrelevant. I don't see a ring on this beautiful little finger. I guess you're still fair game.
I swear I will call the cops.
I'll dial the number for you.
Don't you?
Here's my card. You call me when you get home, okay?
Not a chance.
And we'll see about that. Bye, Miss Bray.
What's going on?
Sis, look at all this. I mean, Peter got his promotion, right? When's the wedding?
Look, Andy, we can't touch these, okay? These are not from Peter. I'm sorry. I gotta go.
What, sis, what's the problem? I mean, after taking care of Peter for 5 years, you deserve whatever he wants to give you.
Look,
this is the minimum
Andy,
that you get.
Please,
No, really.
Please, no more questions, okay? Don't touch them. I will explain everything when I get back, but please, do not touch them.
Tessa, sorry, I'm still on the clock. But you all right? What's the emergency?
Can we get married? Like now? Can we get married? Like now? Please.
Look, Tessa, we've already talked about this. Right? Marriage after my promotion? I mean, why the hurry now?
I just...
As soon as I get my promotion, I'll give you the world. Just trust me.
I don't need the world. I don't need luxury. I don't need any of that. I just need you and us together and stable.
Well, me too. I mean, babe, you're my life's greatest treasure.
I'm serious. I will do everything. Just show up this weekend. Please.
All right. Yeah, this weekend. Let's do it.
Yeah?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
All
Yeah,
right.
okay.
Oh!
Why are you sneaking off during work hours,
What's the matter? Can't go an hour without me?
Off to see your girlfriend? Word is, she bankrolled your degree.
Oh, baby, you know it's nothing like that. You're all I want, Mary.
Say it again.
You are all I want.
Oh, yeah. This designer stuff will fetch a pretty penny.
Frank, Tessa's told us not to take those.
Get out of here.
No, you can't take them.
I said get out of here.
Oh my God. Andy. Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
I'm your father, and everything that belongs to you belongs to me.
Our real father is dead.
A stepfather's just as good as a father. Besides, when your worthless mother died, I housed and fed the both of you. This will pay that debt.
You have not given us a single cent. You stole Annie's transplant fund for his heart. You took everything. We owe you nothing.
Enough! I'm selling this stuff no matter what you say.
Well, you can't do that because it was given on accident. It has to be returned or it's going to be jail time for you. But hey, that's your call.
Worthless junk. You know, you've been giving yourself to Peter for years like a cheap whore. You know what? I'm going to take you down to Steve at the Nightshade Club. If he likes you, he'll give us $100,000. I'm making split.
No! Because Peter and I are getting engaged this weekend.
What?
Let's go. It'll be a nice wedding.
Yeah. Hi.
Where's Peter?
Did he forget?
Seriously, poor Tessa's still standing there.
Hey, Mary.
Peter, join me at a business reception. Now.
You know, I wish I could, but I got this thing I gotta attend to, so.
What? This isn't about your girlfriend, is it?
No, baby. No, look, I told you. You're the only one I care about.
Dad and every business titan in town will be there. Career-making opportunity. Address is in your text. Your choice.
Peter obviously bailed. Is Tessa still holding out for hope?
He's just running late. He'll be here.
Boss, I'm sorry to disturb you, but Miss Bray's having an engagement party at the Hilltop Hotel.
Really? Neil, get our boys. We're gonna crash a party. Let's go see what's the guts. Marry my woman. Mary, wait up. Sorry I'm late.
You made the right choice.
Indeed I did.
Peter's clearly not showing up.
If you would have stayed with Steven, like I said, you wouldn't be humiliated.
He's gonna show. I know it.
All right, that's it. We're out of here.
Hold on. The groom's on his way.
Wait, what?
I know where he is. Come on. Right this way. He's up here. He was just very nervous. He's embarrassed about not being here on time. He's right in here. You know how he gets. Come on. In you go.
Pete?
Tessa, give it up.
Frank, come on, let me out. Frank, come on, you can't just trap me in here like this. Frank, open the door.
With every penny.
Frank, open this door right now, please. Come on, Frank, open the door.
You are set for life, and don't you forget who made this happen. Steven is set up with the Norton family, and you will be living so high, you can't wait to thank me.
Easy, gorgeous. I'm gonna make you feel really good.
No! Get up! No!
What the? Victor.
Touch my woman. You're a dead man.
Get him! Victor! I swear I didn't know she was yours! I never would have touched her!
Where is he?
What the hell are you doing? Do you know who this is? This is Steven. He runs a Nightshade Club.
Nightshade Club? I've heard about it. Owned by the Norton family?
You're damn right.
Yeah.
And you're still touching him? What are you, suicidal? Damn right. And you still touch him? What are you, suicidal? This is Steven. He works for Victor. You touch him and Victor's gonna have all your heads. Oh, son of a bitch! You hit me!
You got a problem with that?
Steven, he hit me! Have Victor make this right!
Shut up! Victor, I swear, it was his fault. He said Tessa was fair game. He said $100,000 would buy her off.
Wait a minute. You're Victor? You fool. You screwed us both.
Boss, what are your orders?
Oh, Victor! Victor! Have mercy!
Hey, don't worry. I'm not your enemy.
What is going on?
Talk about extra.
Tessa, say yes, and you and your brother never have to worry ever again.
Tessa, say yes, dear. Marrying Victor will be the luckiest day of your life. Consider it done.
I didn't ask for your input.
I'm her father. I'm responsible for these decisions.
You sell your daughter for some pocket change, and you dare call
No. You got it all wrong. This is my daughter, and I hate. What are you doing? Hey, get off me! Get off me!
Tessa, it's your decision. But just know I will give everything to protect you. Tessa, say yes.
Thank you so much for helping me. Gratitude is not love, but I'm gonna find a way to repay you someday.
Someday is not gonna work for me. I prefer now.
What? Whoa, hey, what are you? Put me down. Crazy? Oh my god!
I just saved you. What's that worth to you?
Do you want money or something? I mean, you could have my savings.
Do I look broke to you?
Money's all I have to offer you.
You know what I want.
You could have any girl by me.
Well, you see, men, they love the chase. You give in too easily, and then the game is over.
Are you happy now? Are you happy now? What do you actually want?
One day, you spend the day with me, and we're even. It's fancy, right? Ah, shit. Just look around real quick. I got a quick call. Be right back.
Let's see what we can find for you here. This would be perfect for you. Care to try it?
Sure. Thank you.
Stunning. Like it was made for you. And it's only $8,000. Cash or credit?
It's beautiful. I don't know if it's for me.
You can't afford it. Why are you wasting my time trying things on then?
I'll just take it off.
No way. No, you try it, you buy it.
That's extortion.
And your point is?
Oh my god.
Oh! You ruined it. You must pay for it. Oh, you ruined it. You must pay for it.
Yeah, I'll cover it, all right? Are you okay?
It's a limited piece. It's very costly.
Oh, is that right?
What is this?
Is this a sufficient amount for your dress?
It's plenty.
Oh, that's good.
It's more than enough.
Lovely, lovely. And the rest will probably cover the other damages. Gentlemen. Maybe next time you'll be nicer to your customers.
I'm sorry, sir. Never again.
Wait.
It is late. I need to go home. Excuse me. Thank you.
Tessa, I had no choice. It's not my fault.
It's not your fault? Okay. Then I would love to hear what excuse you have for ditching your fiancée at her own engagement party.
My boss dumped an urgent project on me. Now, look, Tessa, you know I'm working my ass off for you, okay, to give you a better life. Just give me one more chance. Okay, I won't fuck it up, I promise. Do you remember the day I saved you? 5 years ago, the gang shootout. I didn't think twice before stepping in to save you. Tessa, that scared me. It really did. But nothing scared me more than the thought of losing you. Just one more chance, Tess. That's all I ask. Just one more chance, Tess. That's all I ask. Do you know I've literally been killing myself this past week? No, seriously, I drank so much with one of my clients that I ended up in the hospital with a stomach ulcer.
You were in the hospital? Why didn't you tell me?
I'm fine now, aren't I? Although the doctor did say no alcohol for a while.
Yeah, you should probably listen to your doctor.
So, I was thinking, if you're free tomorrow night, I got reservations at Lillian's for just us.
You got us a reservation at Lillian's.
That's right. I love you.
Victor, it's been ages since I've heard from you.
Her daddy's spy's not reporting back. Strange.
Don't be like that. I'm only worried about you.
Worried or spying?
When do you plan to honor our engagement?
Arrangement that I never agreed to.
You know, our worlds depend on this. This goes beyond us.
Should have daddy buy you another groom.
Victor! Why do you hate me so much?
You see, you got me all wrong. Hate requires emotion. I don't feel anything.
Hey, I really appreciate this.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Cheers.
Cheers.
To us.
Oh, pardon. I actually think it looks good.
No, Tessa, don't.
Excuse me? I think you just ruined my dress. The least you could do is apologize.
Tessa, why don't we calm down? Look, I'll take care of the dress. Let's not make a scene, okay? I'm so sorry, sir, but let's get back to our dinner.
Are you just gonna let him harass me like that?
Hey, she's a tough little thing, huh? Hey, me too. Hey, listen, why don't we go back to my place, right? My room's right up there. We'll settle up.
Dude, I'm standing right here.
Hey, you really want to be a hero?
Five-star
That's
restaurant.
what I thought. Listen, dump him. Let's get out of here. Come on, we'll get out.
Get lost.
That's shrewd, but feisty. Just how I like them.
Get off of me!
Neil! Since when did my restaurant turn into a brothel? Since when did my restaurant turn into a brothel? You okay?
And just who the fuck do you think you are, huh?
Open your eyes, moron. That's Victor Norton.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Norton.
I think you owe an apology to someone else.
Yeah, of course. I'm very sorry, miss. I didn't know you were Victor Norton's, and of course I was gonna pay for the you know what? I'll pay for 10 of them.
Just leave.
What are you, deaf? Get rid of him.
Yeah, you better run.
Is this your boyfriend?
Oh, yeah, sorry. My name's Peter.
Hey, Peter.
Oh my god!
Okay.
What the hell, man?
What are you doing?
Just introducing myself to your spineless boyfriend.
What the fuck is wrong with you? You're not better than that drunk asshole.
What did you just say to me?
What are you fucking good for anyway? Besides swinging your weight around? You know there's only one reason why guys act so big.
Okay. Tess, I need help. Ow.
I know it stings, okay? Babe, I know what I'm doing. Promise.
So you never felt the need to mention that you're tied up with Victor?
I don't know. I guess I didn't feel the need to mention it. It's not like you were gonna do anything about it.
Oh, come on. Are you seriously mad at me because I didn't do anything back there?
I think that maybe things could have gone a little differently if you'd shown a little backbone.
Oh, some backbone. Okay. Okay, let's say I did do something back there. Things get escalated and maybe you get hurt in the mix of things. Babe, I did everything I did for you, for your safety.
What the hell is this?
Oh, God, what is that?
Boss, Mary, this is your boss.
Yeah, no, it's so... She has been just harassing me for my entire career, and I've just had to tolerate it.
I'm sorry, this happens often? She's sending you pictures like that all the time, or what?
But it's nothing. I hate it. I don't
Why
like...
didn't you tell me this?
Why? I just didn't want you to react like this. I tried everything. There's nothing I can do. I mean, she's a chairman's daughter. Look, there's only so much I can do, okay? I don't want to risk my job over this. Okay, let me tell you what. Next time I see her, I will be sure to set some boundaries. For your sake. I love you, Tess. I'll never lie to you.
As usual, please. Thank you.
Hey, boss. Isn't that Tessa Bray's boyfriend?
Well.